my handsome peeps, this is Tasnim and welcome back to my channel. So today I created this Black Wednesday makeup look. This is a opposite version of the Pink Wednesday from Mean Girls. If you guys watch that movie, you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, you can also term it as a Gothic makeup look, and I hope you guys will like the video. If you do, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below if you're going to Halloween this year, because I'm not probably, and make sure to follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I already applied concealer to my lids off of camera and did my brows, but now I'm gonna take my bronzer with the help of a blending brush and apply it to my crease, because you obviously need a transition shade before playing with darker colors. So now I'm gonna take the shade Cursed with the help of a smaller blending brush by e.l.f. I'm gonna first deposit the color in the crease and then I'm gonna slowly blend it. So you really gotta be patient with this color and build your way up. Do not apply a globe of color right there, just build it. And then I'm gonna take the bronzer shade back again and just clean off those edges. Taking the shade Cursed again, I'm gonna build it, so you have to go back and forth with this color. So now I'm gonna take my kohl pencil. This is in a black shade, and I'm gonna use a very flat blending brush. This is by Real Technique. This is their smudger brush. I'm gonna apply now that black color to my crease. I'm just applying it to get the maximum pigmentation. If you have a black shade, you do not have to do what I am doing. I didn't have it, so I really had to work it in. And then taking the smaller blending brush back again, I'm gonna just blend it. Now I'm gonna apply some concealer to my lid to cut it, because I'm gonna be depositing some colors there, so take your time, be careful. Then I'm gonna take the shade Saint and apply it to my eyelid. This shade was very powdery, so I did have to work a lot with this color. That I have that blank white shade finally on my eyelid, I'm gonna take the smaller smudger brush back again with the shade Cursed and just blend off those edges, make everything smooth. And taking my W7 Aye Aye Captain Eyeliner, I'm gonna just draw a very thin, sleek wing. Taking my Golden Rose Lash Sensational Mascara, I'm gonna coat my lashes with it. I'm not gonna wear falsies because that's gonna take the Gothic vibe away. Now I'm going to just tightline my upper waterline. Also tightlining my lower waterline, and I'm going to also smudge it, so you don't have to be very precise in this part. I'm gonna just take my tape off and you can see the line will be very crisp. And yeah, going back again with the kohl, I'm going to apply a very thick kohl and then finally smudge it with the shade Cursed using that same smudging brush. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lash line. Ignore them funny faces though. Adding a second coat of mascara again because I really want my lashes to have volume. Finally, moving to base makeup, I'm going to take my Smashbox Photofinish primer and apply it to my T-zone and the places I have pores. Ignore this part of the video because this was out of focus. I'm really trying to get filming process with my new phone, with actually my dad's new phone, so yeah, sorry, do not mind. And then taking my NYX Total Control drop foundation, I'm going to apply 3 drops to my face and then blend it. This is in the shade Caramel and I'm in the shade NC40. This shade is however a bit yellow for me, but I'm gonna fix it later on with some concealer and powder. Now taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 25, I'm going to apply it under my eyes, not in a triangular form because this makes my under eyes ashy since this concealer is a tad bit light for me. So I'm gonna just blend it using the same buffing brush by Real Technique. Now I'm going to bake under my eyes using some loose translucent setting powder. This is going to prevent my base from getting cakey. Taking my W7 bronzer, I'm going to bronze in the hollows of my cheeks, my temples, and also in my jawline. I'm going to dust off those excess powder from my face. Now taking a golden highlighter, I'm going to hit it in the top parts of my face, which is above my cheeks, known as the cheekbone, and then on the bridge of my nose as well as on the tip of it. And then finally I'm going to fill in my lips using that same kohl pencil. I do not have a black lipstick as well, so I'm going to use it. You can also use your eyeliner with it, but I decided to go with the kohl instead. And that's it. This is the look I created. I hope you guys liked it. If you ever recreate it, make sure to tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Take care. Love you. Toodles.